Hi, and welcome everyone to Know Your Law. This is a small initiative to let everyone aware of various important essential laws of our country. Each week, we try to bring to you an essential provision of one of the many acts in our country. Hope it will help you, if not today, but sometimes in your life. So today, we will know about Data Protection Compensation in India. Section 43A of the Information Technology Act of 2000 talks about compensation for failure to protect data. The section was inserted to the original Act of 2000 via the ITAA of 2006, that is the Informational Act of 2006. The provision states where a body corporate possessing, dealing, or handling any sensitive personal data or information in a computer resource which it owns, controls, or operates is negligent in implementing and maintaining reasonable security practices and procedures, and thereby causes wrongful loss or wrongful gain to any person, such body corporate shall be liable to pay damages by way of compensation not exceeding 5 crore rupees to the person so affected. Now, what is this body corporate? Body corporate means any company and includes a firm, sole proprietorship, or other association of individuals engaged in commercial or professional activities. Now, what does reasonable security practices and procedure mean? So, reasonable security practices and procedures means security practices and procedures designed to protect such information from unauthorized access, damage, use, modification, disclosure, or impairment as may be specified in an agreement between the parties or as may be specified in any law for the time being in force. And in the absence of such agreement or any law, such reasonable security practices and procedures as may be prescribed by the central government in consultation with such professional bodies or associations as it may deem fit. Now, what is sensitive personal data or information? Sensitive personal data or information means such personal information as may be prescribed by the central government in consultation with such professional bodies or associations as it may deem fit. So suppose in case of India, it can be your Aadhaar card number, your PAN number, while for a US citizen it can be his or her SSN number, that is a green card holder's number, whatever, means all those sort of things. Now, what is the penalty for failure to furnish information or return, etc.? Now, section 44 of the Act specifies penalty for failure to return information. It states, if any person who is required under this Act or any rules or regulations made thereunder to A. furnish any document, return or report to the controller or the certifying authority, fails to furnish the same, he shall be liable to a penalty not exceeding 1,50,000 rupees for each such failure. Point B. File any return or furnish any information, books, or other documents within the time specified therefore in the regulations, fails to return or furnish the same within the time specified therefore in the regulations, he shall be liable to a penalty not exceeding 5,000 rupees for every day during which such failure continues. and C. maintain books of records or account and fails to maintain the same, he shall be liable to a penalty not exceeding 10,000 rupees for every day during which the failure continues. Now, there is another sort of penalty called residuary penalty. Now, Section 45 of the Act deals with residuary penalty. It states, whoever contravenes any rules or regulations made under this Act, for the contravention of which no penalty has been separately provided, shall be liable to pay compensation not exceeding 25,000 rupees to the person affected by such contravention, or a penalty not exceeding 25,000 rupees. So that is it for today. We will meet again next week with something new and interesting, hopefully. Till then, stay safe and remain aware of your rights and laws. Thank you.